In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unsupported file type in Google Drive. If you've ever tried to open a video in Drive and got the unsupported file type message, don't worry. This usually means Drive didn't pick the right player for previewing, or the file format isn't one that Drive can easily handle. I'll walk you through a quick way to open the file using Google's built-in video player, and then share an important reminder to help you avoid the issue next time. Start by opening the Google Apps menu. You'll find it as the grid of dots at the top of your Google page. This menu gathers all your Google tools in one place, which makes it the fastest path to where we need to go. From there, click Drive. That takes you straight into your Google Drive where all your files and folders live. Once Drive is open, locate the specific video file that's giving you trouble. When you've found it, right-click on that video. Right-clicking opens the context menu with options that go beyond what you get with a simple double click. This is where we can choose a more suitable way to open the file. Hover your mouse over Open With. Don't click yet, just hover. You'll see a list of available viewers and apps that can handle that file type. This is useful because sometimes Drive defaults to a generic preview that isn't the best match for video playback. Now click Video Player for Google Drive. This tells Drive to use its native video player, which is designed to handle the most common video formats and codecs. In many cases, this immediately clears the unsupported message and starts playback. If the file was just uploaded, give it a moment. Drive may need short processing time before it can preview the video smoothly. Before we wrap up, here's an important reminder. Always make sure that your file type is supported by Google Drive. Drive works best with widely used video formats and standard encodings. If your video was created with uncommon settings or a less typical format, the preview may not work even though the file is stored safely. Keeping your videos in common, broadly compatible formats helps ensure they open reliably in the video player for Google Drive. That's it. Click the Google Apps grid, open Drive, right-click your video, hover to open with, and select Video Player for Google Drive. With that simple path, you can usually bypass the unsupported message and get your video playing right away. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your files accessible and frustration-free.